In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to scrape websites. This is a simple way to collect data from websites using AI-generated scripts. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a web scraping script. For example, I might type, "Write a Python script that scrapes product data from a website." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate the scraping code, which may include libraries like Requests, Beautiful Soup, or other tools for extracting data. If I want more advanced scraping, I can include more details in my prompt, such as pagination, login handling, or data storage. For example, I might type, "Create a web scraper that collects data from multiple pages and saves it to a CSV file." Claude can also help explain the script, fix errors, or improve it to handle edge cases. Once the scraping code is ready, I can copy or download the content and run it in my development environment. After that, I can test the script and verify that it collects the data correctly. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to scrape websites. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.